So before I get busy cleaning, I want to show you the products that I plan to use to clean the bathroom. So first is our Enviro cloth and our window cloth. The amazing cleaning paste, which is our elbow grease in a jar. This is really going to come in handy. Also the Norwex bathroom cleaner. We replace multiple bathroom cleaning products with this single product. It cleans bowls and basins, no strong fumes, no harmful chemicals or corrosive ingredients, which is really important. It has superior cleaning and descaling ingredients, and it works against rust, hard water, salts, lime, and surfactants, which increase its cleaning power. It also works well to break up oil and grease and things like that, removing hard water deposits, rust, soap scum, urine salts, which can be really nasty and really tough to get. This works so good. It also eliminates odors, which is going to be really important when we clean the toilet. It does contain organic salts and citric acid, and that replaces the strong corrosive acids. It's phosphate free, has biodegradable ingredients. The container's recyclable. It's made with ocean-bound plastic. See the little logo there? So that helps keep plastic waste from reaching our waterways. And bonus, it's safe for septic systems. So I'm going to use this, and I'm also going to use it with this. It's our revolutionary new toilet bowl cleaning system. It has 2 types of bristles with a no-mess solution dispersal system. So you put the bathroom cleaner in here, and then with a touch of a button, it comes out the bottom of the bristles, which is so awesome. The bristles and the handle and the button contain backlock, which is our microsilver. The dual action of these bristles work together to scrub and brush away the grime from inside the toilet. Since I've had this, my hand has not been in the toilet. And like I said, it pumps out the perfect amount of bathroom cleaner, so you get a sparkling, clean bowl, hands-free every time. The built-in reservoir here holds up to 120 pumps of any non-gel cleaning solution. And of course, I'm going to recommend the Norwex bathroom cleaner. It's highly concentrated, phosphate-free, and is biodegradable. The base of the toilet bowl cleaning system is also made from 65% recycled plastic. The base has silver in it, which is a natural antibacterial, natural antimicrobial, so you're never going to have to worry about bacteria or the nasty smell of mold and mildew. Now, in addition to those 2, I'm going to be using my heavy duty enzyme cleaner today, which is the descaler. The descaler, I use this the most like on shower glass, which is, my shower glass is a mess right now. It is the absolute best for the toughest jobs around the house, especially when you're dealing with calcium, lime, and rust stains. It is hands down the best thing I've ever used on my shower glass. Like for soap scum, even soap scum covered tile works great. It visually dissolves the watermarks and completely eliminates the scale from surfaces. It also has a nice smell for those people who are wanting a smell to show that the bathroom's clean. Now, in addition to the Enviro cloth, which I just put down, I'm going to use a few other tools to really get the job done around the bathroom. You could literally clean your entire bathroom with an Enviro cloth, but I'm going to use a couple other things that Norwex has. I'm going to use the utility brush. It's great around drains, faucets, things where there's hard water buildup. I love using this with the cleaning paste, and also some non-scratching sponges or scrubby options that we have. And I've shared this one before, which is our Speary sponge, non-scratching, awesome, I love it. And I'm probably gonna use, this is called our Enviro Scrub. It actually comes in a pack of 3. I love using this when I'm cleaning the shower glass because one side is scrubby, the other side is an Enviro cloth. So I can clean, scrub away all that stuff, and then wipe it away with my Enviro cloth. So awesome. If you like a mitt option, we do have a bathroom scrub mitt, cover more territory more quickly. Again, it has that scrubby on one side and then an ultra plush microfiber on the other side. So scrub and wipe away. I go back and forth between this and the Enviro scrubs, but they work about the same. It just depends on your preference if you want to wear it on your hand or hold it. All right, let's get into this video. Okay, so I already did the glass. I did the mirror, I cleaned it with an Enviro cloth and then the window cloth. But I noticed around my sink, especially in the drain here, there's some, it looks like maybe hard water because it's not as shiny as it was before. And definitely on this other side, there's some gunk. So what I have is my utility brush, which is awesome. Just put that in the cleaning paste, get a little on it. Let's go do this side. Just easy peasy. Okay, and I think I'm also gonna get around here because we get hard water deposits there. Get in the back is easy to miss, right? And I'm gonna rinse it off, and now I'm gonna get my Enviro cloth and wipe that down. So I'm just gonna take the Enviro cloth and wipe around the areas that I scrubbed. Get any loose debris. I get it out of the sink here. Looks good. Oh, it looks so much better. So much better. And if you want to, you can take your window cloth and just polish that up. I'm not going to worry about that right now in this video, but a million times better. Look at that sink drain. Looks so much better. Okay, I'm getting ready to clean the shower with, and I'm going to use the descaler, which is a heavy duty descaling. You know, it's great for lime and calcium, all that stuff. And what I like to do is I like to turn the water on really hot and just let that run for a second, because it's gonna steam up the glass and it's gonna show me all of that hard water that I need to work on. So we're gonna give that a couple minutes to steam up, and then I'll come back and we will start using that descaler. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes and the steam is starting to build up, and you can see all of this is the hard water. All that soap scum buildup. I mean, it is steam there too, but definitely full of soap scum. So I'm gonna turn the water off, go inside the shower here, and we're gonna start using the descaler, and I'll show you how to use that. All right, now I'm inside the shower, and I started spraying a little bit of the descaler, and I'm gonna show you what I like to do. Let me get it on all of the glass here. We've got a lot. Now you can do the same thing with your shower tile. I think I'm just gonna do the glass in this video. And we'll get this side. And then what I like to do after I spray it, look how thick that soap scum is, so gross. So now what I like to do is I just take my hand, there's just no toxic ingredients in it, nothing that's gonna hurt me. I like to take my hand and just kind of rub this in a little bit, because when you spray it, it doesn't cover, 100% of the surfaces. And I feel like when I rub it in, it completely covers that glass wall. So I'm gonna do that really quickly. And the thing with descaler is that you want to leave it on the glass to do its job 5 to 10 minutes. So I'm gonna finish rubbing it in on all of these glass, wait 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back to you. As I'm standing here waiting for, 5 minutes to pass by, I noticed there's a lot of soap scum and hard water on here. We have really, really hard water. So I'm gonna spray that too. I'm just gonna saturate that and rub it in so it gets on every inch of it. And we're gonna let that sit a couple minutes too. All right, we're looking good. All right, now I'll be back in a minute. Okay, about 5 minutes has gone by, and now I'm gonna scrub it off, and it's so easy to scrub off. So you have a couple options. You can use your Enviro cloth, the non-scratching Speary sponge, the bathroom scrub mitt if you like a mitt type solution. But in this case, I'm going to use the Enviro scrub. I really, really like these. Again, they come in a pack of 3. We've got the scrubby on one side and an Enviro cloth on the other side. So let's get this wet, and then we're gonna start scrubbing. Now what I really like is that I don't have to scrub too hard. I have 2 herniated discs, so I need easy, and this is definitely very low impact, right? I think the hardest part is sometimes getting all the way down. Now we're gonna do the shower door. See if I can back this up. There we go. The shower door, which is pretty dirty. And I just like to go over it just to get all of the areas where I sprayed. And then this last piece of glass right here. All the way down. You don't want to let descaler dry on the surfaces, so we recommend you just leave it on for 5 or 10 minutes. So I'm going to take my same scrubby and I'm going to wipe this off, which is our knob here. It was covered in soap scum. And who knows what else. Okay, looking good. All right, so now we're going to rinse this all off, see what we're left with. This is probably my favorite part because it's so easy. Look, just rinse that right off. I mean, what a difference that made for such a short amount of time, effort, or small amount of effort. And we really did do a great job with that last piece over here. And now we're going to get the handle. Look at that. The difference is unbelievable. So now I'm going to get the window cloth and just polish it up, and then I'll be back. Look how awesome it turned out. I just got done drying it with my Norwex window cloth. Look at that shine. Like everything is so shiny. It's how it's supposed to look, I'm sure. But you know, before Norwex, before I found this product, I was always struggling to find a good soap scum descaler type remover. And let's go on the inside, check out that faucet. Look how shiny, looks so good. And so if your shower has a lot of debris and you know, maybe a lot of buildup, it might take 2 times to get it off. Like what I just did, doing that twice, but it's still pretty quick and easy, because what goes on in layers must come off in layers. And so if you have years of buildup or weeks or months, it may take you a couple times to get it off, but it will come off, and then it's very easy to maintain. I like keeping an extra window cloth in my bathroom so that when I get out of the shower, I just go over it and it helps keep some of those problems at bay. We're on the worst part, the toilet. So I have a dedicated Enviro cloth for my toilets. I actually used a magic marker and I just wrote on it so I would always know to use this one when it was toilet day. So I'm just gonna take this and I'm removing bacteria, removing any urine salts and things like that, just the Enviro cloth and water. I'm just gonna go around the rim and all the way to the bottom, you know, a little spot in the back, and super quick and easy. Get the floor, because if you have teen boys, you know that the floor can sometimes take a beating. And when I'm down here, I'll also get the baseboards, just because I've noticed that they get a little messy in the bathroom too, a little more messy than I would expect. Okay, so we've got the outside. I'm gonna do the rim, the toilet seat, all clean. And I'm gonna turn my Enviro cloth inside out. Flipped it around and then folded it over. So I'm gonna do the seat one more time, and do the top, and get the back. Now the outside is clean, like perfectly clean, but the inside of that toilet bowl is pretty nasty. So I'm gonna take the toilet bowl cleaning brush, and it dispenses the bathroom cleaner that I shared with you guys a minute ago. So I'm just gonna put it in here. I'm gonna press the button on the top. The bathroom cleaner is now in the pot. So actually, I'll bring the phone over and show you exactly how that works. Okay, we've got the button is on top. This thing is awesome, by the way. So I'm gonna press the button, and the perfect amount of cleaning solution came out. So I'm just gonna take that and get underneath the rim. These bristles are awesome. There's 2 types of bristles, so they really work in tandem to get in the hard to reach areas on here. And then go down into the toilet bowl, clean that all out, give it a nice flush. And there you go. Clean as a whistle. Tap that off and I'm gonna sit it back in the vase. The vase has silver in it. Okay, the bathroom is all clean. I need to take a shower too. I'm just gonna put a few things back on my counter. So we have, this is a Norwex chenille hand towel. These are awesome, especially if you have people who knock towels around and put them in places they're not supposed to go. It's got this little ring here. You bring the chenille hand towel through the ring and it sits right there on your towel bar. How nice is that? That actually removes bacteria from your hands. I only wash mine like every month or two. Like seriously, I have them on both sides. And then I have the Norwex hand towel laying on the counter. This is the Ultra Plush. So I will see you soon. I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy bathroom cleaning. I think bathrooms should always be quick and easy to clean. I'll see you soon.